Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. We got Samson's 2024 Road Glide done and delivered. Super mint bike. Obviously, it's brand new. I like the way he's got it put together. The accessories blend beautifully. He's got red accents on the bike. Bike looks really good. He added a tour pack. This is the second time we worked on the bike. Before I got a chance to edit and upload the video, he already brought it back to upgrade it again. So we started with the stage 2. So we did 6.5 in the fairings, 1400 watt Cicada DSP amp, and Hertz 6 mines in the lids using the Soundz cutting kit, Cicada CH in the fairing. He heard our stage 3 demo bike, said he was coming back for the 8s, and he did. So a few weeks later, just brought the bike back in, and we added the 8s in the saddlebag, added a 700.4 FLX amplifier in the tour pack, upgraded the battery to a Braille G30H lithium, and added NVS Audio high-res tweeters in the factory grills in the fairing. 1400p Cicada FLX amp has a built-in DSP, which is 4 channels, and it has an additional 2 channels out. So we're using the DSP in the front amplifier to control the rear amplifier. Bike sounds really, really good. This really detailed bike came together nicely. The bike sounds phenomenal. He's happy with the way it sounds. We're happy with the way it sounds. It's a beautifully nice, clean bike, and now it's got a sound system to match. Check it out what we did for him.
Regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any kicked off the street. I'll be handy with the steals, you know what I mean? Earn your keep.
A clear white moon rolling jewels on the streets, trying to consume some skirts for the eve, so I could get some phones rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G's. Ain't a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All of you hoes know what's up with 213.
So I hit some left on 2-1 and Lewis, some niggas shooting dice, so I said, let's do this. I jumped out the car and said, what's up? Some niggas put some cats, so I said, on the phone.
Since these hoes think of me, I'm gonna ride this word. These bitches looking so good, they straight hit the curve. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate.
I'm getting jacked, I'm wrecking myself. I can't believe they take a woman's work, they took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the nigga, said, damn, what's next?
Now my homie hung up and they all around. You know, I'm singing, they going straight down.